northeastern Oklahoma, western Pawnee County, and northeastern Oklahoma until 4:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:46 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles west of Caw City to 4 miles northeast of Orlando, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations that are near the path include Pawnee, Fairfax, Thunder, Raleigh, Burbank, Speed, Fort Eager, Pearsonia, Red City, and Patterson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. At 3 a.m. at the Tulsa International Airport, it was cloudy and the temperature was 60.
I have that one on, just waiting.
Relative humidity 72%. The wind was southeast at 7. The pressure was 29.5 inches and falling. Around Oklahoma
This
this
has
hour.
just been happening for the
In
past
Oklahoma City, it was cloudy with a
3
temperature of
hours.
67. In Bartlesville, it was cloudy with a temperature of 57. In McAllister, it was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 70. In Ponca City, a thunderstorm was reported with a temperature of 59.
Okay, yeah, thank you guys for watching. That's just a little thing. I'll probably gonna end up doing a compilation because of all of these that get. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.